I've earned 30 plus certifications, and I'm here to guide you to success on your exam. Welcome to the Ultimate CSA Exam Masterclass. Are you ready to crack the CSA exam in one go? You're in the right place. In this session, we'll arm you with powerful insights and hand-picked questions that can make all the difference in your exam performance. We've scanned the web using intelligent crawlers to gather the most critical and high-impact questions, all compiled into one powerful PDF resource. You can download it from the link in the description. Not only will we explore these must-practice questions, but we'll also share real exam experiences and pro tips to give you that competitive edge. Let's dive into the key questions that could shape your success. Question 1. A service catalog may include which of the following components? A. Order guides, exchange rates, calendars. B. Order guides, catalog items, and interceptors. C. Catalog items, asset contracts, task surveys. D. Record producers, order guides, and catalog items. Correct answer D. Record producers, order guides, and catalog items. Explanation. Service catalog is built from record producers, order guides, and catalog items. These are the core elements that allow users to request services efficiently. Question 2. Which one of the following statements applies to a set of fields when they are coalesced during an import? A. If a match is found using the coalesce fields, the existing record is updated with the information being imported. B. If a match is not found using the coalesce fields, the system does not create a transform map. C. If a match is found using the coalesce fields, the system creates a new record. D. If a match is not found using the coalesce fields, the existing record is updated with the information being imported. Correct answer A. If a match is found using the coalesce fields, the existing record is updated with the information being imported. Explanation. Coalescing fields help identify records. If a match is found, the system updates the existing record instead of creating a duplicate. Question 3. As it relates to ServiceNow reporting, which of the following statements describes what a metric can do? A. A metric is a report gauge used on homepages to display real-time data. B. A metric is a time measurement used to report the effectiveness of workflows and SLAs. C. A metric is used to measure and evaluate the effectiveness of IT service management processes. D. A metric is a comparative measurement used to report the effectiveness of flows and SLAs. Correct answer, C. A metric is used to measure and evaluate the effectiveness of IT service management processes. Explanation. Metrics are designed to measure process effectiveness. They help track performance of ITSM processes over time. Question 4. The display sequence is controlled in a service catalog item using which of the following? A. The default value field in the catalog item form. B. The sequence field in the catalog item form. C. The order field in the variable form. D. The choice field in the variable form. Correct answer, C. The order field in the variable form. Explanation. The order field in the variable form sets the display sequence. This ensures variables appear in the intended order. Question 5. Reports can be created from which different places in the platform? Choose 2. A. List column heading. B. Metrics module. C. Statistics module. D. Views/run module. Correct answer A and D. List column heading. Views/run module. Explanation. Reports can be created from list column headings and the views/run module. These options make report creation flexible and accessible. Question 6. Knowledge-based search results can be sorted by which of the following? Choose 3. A. Most recent update. B. Popularity. C. Relevancy. D. Manager assignment. E. Number of views. Correct answer A, C, and E. Most recent update. Relevancy. Number of views. Explanation. Knowledge search results can be sorted by update date, relevancy, and views. This helps users quickly find the most useful content. Question 7. Which term refers to application menus and modules which you may want to access quickly and often? A. Breadcrumb. B. Favorite. C. Tag. D. Bookmark. Correct answer B. Favorite. Explanation. Favorites let users pin frequently used modules or menus. This improves efficiency by reducing navigation time. Question 8. What is generated from the service catalog once a user places an order for an item or service? A. A change request. B. An order guide. C. A request. D. An SLA. Correct answer C. A request. Explanation. Submitting an item from the catalog generates a request record. The request tracks fulfillment of the ordered service. Question 9. From the user menu, which actions can a user select? Choose 3. A. Send notifications. B. Log out ServiceNow. C. Elevate roles. D. Impersonate users. E. Order from service catalog. F. Approve records. Correct answer B, C, and D. Log out ServiceNow. Elevate roles. Impersonate users. Explanation. From the user menu you can log out, elevate roles, or impersonate another user. These options help with access and testing. Question 10. Buttons, form links, and context menu items are all examples of what type of functionality? A. Business rule. B. UI action. C. Client script. D. UI policy. Correct answer B. UI action. Explanation. UI actions create buttons, links, and menu items on forms or lists. They allow users to trigger actions quickly. Question 11. Which of the following is true of service catalog items in relation to the service catalog? A. They run behind the scenes. B. They are the building blocks. C. They are optional. D. They provide options. Correct answer B. They are the building blocks. Explanation. Catalog items are the building blocks of the service catalog. They represent the actual goods or services available. Question 12. Table access control rules are processed in the following order. A. Any table name, wildcard, parent table name, table name. B. Table name, parent table name, any table name, wildcard. C. Parent table name, any table name, wildcard. D. Any table name, wildcard, table name, parent table name. Correct answer B. Table name, parent table name, any table name, wildcard. Explanation. The system checks rules in this order: table, then parent, then wildcard. This ensures specific rules are evaluated first. Question 13. What is the platform name for the user table? A. U_users. B. sys_users. C. x_users. D. sys_user. Correct answer D. sys_user. Explanation. The user table's system name is sys_user. It stores details for all user accounts in the instance. Question 14. A REQ number in the service catalog represents A. The order number. B. The stage. C. The task to complete. D. The individual item in the order. Correct answer A. The order number. Explanation. A REQ number is the order number for a catalog request. It groups all items and tasks in that order. Question 15. Which would not appear in the history section of the application navigator? A. Records. B. UI pages. C. Lists. D. Forms. Correct answer B. UI pages. Explanation. UI pages are not tracked in the history list. Only records, forms, and lists appear for quick navigation. Question 16. Which one of the following statements is a recommendation from ServiceNow about update sets? A. Avoid using the default update set as an update set for moving customizations from instance to instance. B. Before moving customizations from instance to instance with update sets, ensure that both instances are different versions. C. Use the baseline update set to store the contents of items after they are changed the first time. D. Once an update set is closed as complete, change it back to in progress until it is applied to another instance. Correct answer A. Avoid using the default update set as an update set for moving customizations from instance to instance. Explanation. ServiceNow recommends avoiding the default update set for moving changes. A dedicated update set keeps changes organized. Question 17. For administrators creating new service catalog items, what is a characteristic they should know about service catalog variables? A. Service catalog variables can only be used in record producers. B. Service catalog variables can only be used in order guides. C. Service catalog variables cannot affect the order price. D. Service catalog variables are global by default. Correct answer D. Service catalog variables are global by default. Explanation. Variables are global by default and can be reused across items. This saves time and keeps catalogs consistent. Question 18. Which one of the following statements is true about column context menus? A. It displays actions such as creating quick reports, configuring the list, and exporting data. B. It displays actions related to filtering options, assigning tags, and search. C. It displays actions related to viewing and filtering the entire list. D. It displays actions such as view form, view related task, and add relationship. Correct answer A. It displays actions such as creating quick reports, configuring the list, and exporting data. Explanation. Column context menus provide actions for reports, list setup, and data export. They help users manage list data efficiently. Question 19. Which ServiceNow products can be used to discover and populate the CMDB? Choose 2. A. Discovery. B. Integration Hub ETL. C. Finder. D. CMDB Plugin. E. CMDB Integration Dashboard. Correct answer A and B. Discovery. Integration Hub ETL. Explanation. Discovery and Integration Hub ETL populate the CMDB with data. They automate integration and discovery of configuration items. Question 20. When using the Load Data and Transform Map process, what is the Mapping Assist used for? A. Mapping fields using the import log. B. Mapping fields using transform history. C. Mapping fields using an SLA. D. Mapping fields using a field map. Correct answer D. Mapping fields using a field map. Explanation. Mapping Assist helps map source fields to target table fields. It speeds up the import setup process. Question 21. Which one of the following statements describes the contents of the Configuration Management Database, CMDB? A. The CMDB contains data about tangible and intangible business assets. B. The CMDB contains the business rules that direct the intangible, configurable assets used by a company. C. The CMDB archives all service management past equipment metadata and usage statistics. D. The CMDB contains IDIL process data pertaining to configuration items. Correct answer A. The CMDB contains data about tangible and intangible business assets. Explanation. The CMDB stores records of business assets, both tangible and intangible. It's the foundation for IT service management. Question 22. In what order should filter elements be specified? A. Field operator then value. B. Field operator then condition. C. Operator condition then value. D. Value operator then field. Correct answer A. Field operator then value. Explanation. Filters are defined in the order field, operator, and value. This ensures correct query structure in ServiceNow. Question 23. Which statement is true about business rules? A. A business rule must run before a database action occurs. B. A business rule can be a piece of JavaScript. C. A business rule must not run before a database action occurs. D. A business rule monitors fields on a form. Correct answer B. A business rule can be a piece of JavaScript. Explanation. Business rules are JavaScript logic executed on records. They can run before or after database operations. Question 24. Which of the following statement describes the purpose of an order guide? A. Order guides restrict the number of items in an order to only one item per request. B. Order guide provide a list of guidelines for administrators on how to set up item variables. C. Order guide provide the ability to order multiple, related items as one request. D. Order guides take the user directly to the checkout without prompting for information. Correct answer C. Order guide provide the ability to order multiple, related items as one request. Explanation. Order guides let users request multiple related items at once. They streamline complex requests into a single order. Question 25. Which tool is used to have conversations with logged-in users in real time? A. Connect Chat. B. Now Messenger. C. User Presence. D. Comments. Correct answer A. Connect Chat. Explanation. Connect Chat enables real-time conversations with users. It's built into ServiceNow for instant collaboration. Question 26. What is a formatter? Select one of the following. A. A formatter allows you to configure applications on your instance. B. A formatter is a form element used to display information that is not a field in the record. C. A formatter allows you to populate fields automatically. D. A formatter is a set of conditions applied to a table to help find and work with data. Correct answer B. A formatter is a form element used to display information that is not a field in the record. Explanation. A formatter is a special form element to show non-field information. Examples include activity or approval summaries. Question 27. Which technique is used to get information from a series of referenced fields from different tables? A. Table walking. B. sys_id pulling. C. Dot walking. D. Record hopping. Correct answer C. Dot walking. Explanation. Dot walking lets you access fields and related tables. It simplifies queries and reporting across relationships. Question 28. What is a schema map? A. A schema map enables administrators to define records from specific tables as trouble sources for configuration items. B. A schema map graphically organizes the visual task boards for the CMDB. C. A schema map graphically displays the configuration items that support a business service. D. A schema map displays the details of tables and their relationships in a visual manner, allowing administrators to view and easily access different parts of the database schema. Correct answer D. A schema map displays the details of tables and their relationships in a visual manner, allowing administrators to view and easily access different parts of the database schema. Explanation: schema maps show tables and their relationships in a diagram. They help admins understand database design. Question 29. Which one of the following statements best describes the purpose of an update set? A. An update set allows administrators to group a series of changes into a named set and then move the set as a unit to other systems. B. By default, an update set includes customizations, business rules, and home pages. C. An update set is a group of customizations that is moved from production to development. D. By default, the changes included in an update set are visible only in the instance to which they are applied. Correct answer A. An update set allows administrators to group a series of changes into a named set and then move the set as a unit to other systems. Explanation: update sets package system changes for migration. They ensure consistency across ServiceNow instances. Question 30. What is the function of user impersonation? A. Testing and visibility. B. Activate verbose logging. C. View custom perspectives. D. Unlock application master list. Correct answer A. Testing and visibility. Explanation: impersonation lets an admin see exactly what another user sees. It's used for testing permissions and troubleshooting. Please revise full PDF 2 to 3 times for 100% success. Check the description for the PDF download link and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for upcoming episodes. Thank you.